Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in the description. If you've recently purchased an electric vehicle or you're planning to install a level 2 charger at home, you've probably come across the ApexCharger MACH 1. It's a 48-amp level 2 EV charger designed for faster charging, broad vehicle compatibility, and flexible installation options. But is it really worth buying? What do the specifications actually mean in everyday use? And why has this charger become such a popular option among EV owners? Let's take a closer look. The ApexCharger MACH 1 is built for residential and light commercial charging, operating on a 200 to 240 volt electrical supply. One of its biggest highlights is its maximum output of 48 amps when hardwired to a dedicated 60 amp circuit. If you choose to install it using a NEMA 1450 outlet, charging is limited to 40 amps, which is standard for plug and level 2 chargers. According to the manufacturer, the charger can add up to approximately 40 miles of driving range per hour, depending on your vehicle's onboard charger and battery system. Compatibility is another strong point. The charger comes with a J1772 connector, making it compatible with nearly every non-Tesla electric vehicle sold in North America. It also includes a Tesla NACS adapter, allowing Tesla owners to charge without purchasing an additional accessory. That means whether you own a Ford Mustang Mach-E, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Rivian R1T, Chevrolet Equinox EV, Kia EV6, or Tesla Model Y or Model 3, this single charger is designed to work across multiple brands. Installation flexibility is another feature that stands out. Users can either plug it into a compatible NEMA 1450 outlet for a simpler installation or hardwire it for maximum charging performance. This makes it suitable for homeowners upgrading an existing garage or those planning a new EV charging setup. One specification many buyers appreciate is the 30-foot charging cable. Many level 2 chargers offer cables between 18 and 25 feet, so the extra reach provides greater flexibility when parking in different positions. Whether your charging port is on the front, rear, left, or right side of the vehicle, the longer cable helps reduce the need to reposition your car every time you charge. The MACH 1 also includes several smart features. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow users to monitor charging sessions through a mobile app. You can check charging status, adjust charging settings, and schedule charging during lower electricity rate periods if your utility offers time of use pricing. The charger also features a 2.4-inch display for viewing charging information directly on the unit. Security is another area where the charger adds convenience. It comes with RFID access cards that let owners control who can activate the charger. This can be particularly useful for shared parking spaces, apartment installations, or small businesses where access needs to be limited. From a durability standpoint, the MACH 1 is designed for both indoor and outdoor installation. The weather-resistant construction allows it to remain installed in garages, driveways, or exterior walls throughout the year. The unit also includes continuous plug temperature monitoring, helping protect the charger during operation. Certification is another important consideration for EV charging equipment. The manufacturer states that the MACH 1 is EGL certified, FCC compliant, Energy Star certified, and tested to UL 2594 and CSA standards. It also includes a 5-year manufacturer warranty along with a 90-day money-back guarantee, providing additional confidence for long-term ownership. In real-world use, the biggest advantage comes down to convenience. Instead of relying on slower level 1 charging from a standard household outlet, this level 2 charger can significantly reduce overnight charging times. Most EV owners can simply plug in after arriving home and wake up with a fully charged battery the next morning, ready for commuting, errands, or weekend trips. Overall, the ApexCharger MACH 1 combines fast 48-amp charging capability, universal EV compatibility, flexible installation options, smart connectivity, a generous 30-foot cable, and modern safety features into a well-rounded home charging solution. For EV owners looking for a feature-rich level 2 charger that works with virtually every electric vehicle in North America, It offers a strong balance of performance and convenience. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.